Why are you hesitant to start trading full-time and make money? Why don't you make $3,000 a day? Yes, you're afraid of losing money, but only because you don't have a solid trading strategy with a high win rate. So today I will share my most reliable strategy with which I have already earned more than $50,000. And you will be able to achieve this result immediately after watching this video. Watch the video until the end, and as a bonus, you will receive a step-by-step plan on how to achieve a permanent income of $900 per day in trading without losing money. Hello! This is Evelyn. I'm a seasoned trader with over 5 years of experience with an average yearly income of $1.5 million. And I feel great when others earn money with me. Therefore, I support traders in my free Telegram channel, where there are already more than 27,000 subscribers. I share trading signals with them every day, and guess what? Together, we earn 600 to 700K in one session. You can too. Join for free using the first link in the description or pinned comment to my channel, and let's make some money together. Now, let's get everything ready for me to show you my personal earning strategy. I'll start trading with $12 and will reach over $3,000 by the end of the session. You'll see how beautifully I can do it. Now, let's take a moment to set everything up. We're on the Pocket Option platform. Our transaction time is 1 minute and the candlestick time frame is 30 seconds. Our currency pairs for today are the ones with the highest return percentage: the Australian and Canadian dollar, Australian and Swiss franc, Australian and New Zealand dollar, Australian and US dollar. We complete the setup by selecting indicators. Today we'll use the alligator, which already has standard parameters, and our favorite, the RSI. The period is 14 by default. Watch the video until the end to learn about the benefits of these indicators. I often ask novice traders, is it better to use one strategy but to know all its intricacies, or 5 but understand which one is more effective and in which market? What do you think, 1 or 5? Let me know in the comments. Let's analyze this situation with our trading community. Now we're in full combat mode, so let's see our strategy in action. Let's see if it can actually bring us over 30,000% profit in 12 minutes. And now we will begin. The Aussie and US dollar is moving in a clear downtrend, which began after reaching an all-time high. The indicators also point to a fall in price. This means we trade lower. We're off to a great start. We received our first profits. We already have $23 in the account. The situation is controversial for the Aussie and New Zealand pair, so the most reasonable option is to skip it for now. Trade number 2. Aussie and Swiss franc is showing some faded upward movement, and therefore we can expect a reversal. We need to enter at the very beginning of a downward trend, so let's click lower. Oof, that's great bearish momentum. Profit again, and we reached $44. Let's move on. So the situation is similar for the Australian and Canadian dollar. We are in a bearish market. Pullbacks usually occur either from highs or a continuing trend. This pair is no exception. We'll invest lower. And look at how the trend has set up beautifully. The account reached the amount of $84. All thanks to me and our profitable strategy. Please support with a like for revealing such profitable strategies to you. Thank you. And now we're moving to new peaks or lows. Give me a sec. On the first pair, we have a rather contradictory situation. I suggest not to risk it and move on to another one. That's why we have 4 of them. Australian and New Zealand dollar. A sideways movement has begun and we'll more likely see a downtrend in a few minutes. This time, we're not ignoring this currency pair because of the simplicity of the choice. Let's trade lower. Wow, we caught the entry point perfectly. Fabulous! Now we have $161 and it's time for the next trade. Aussie and Swiss franc. The situation is also quite simple. Both indicators indicate future downward impulses. Plus, price is telling us that it wants to go bearish. Press in the lower button. Great! Our capital has grown to $309 from $12. This is a profit increase of more than 2,500%. Guess what? I have many more equally profitable strategies. For example, in this video, I share a strategy on which I make 120,000%. Yes, I increased my deposit from $4 to $4,869 in just 15 minutes. Watch the video, learn the strategy, and apply it to the fullest. Click here or follow the link in the description. And we are moving on to a new trade: Australian and Canadian dollar. Let's continue to follow the downward trend, even though this slight consolidation area. We're going lower. Wonderful! Our total is now $590. Wow, this session is going well today. Okay, next pair. Aussie and US dollar. There's also some consolidation going on here, but we need to enter on powerful impulses. Click lower. We entered when the bullish impulse was ending, and we expect a logical pullback of the price downward. Talking about a perfect entry? Well, this is excellent! We made it to $1,133. The strategy once again fully backs itself up. Australian and New Zealand dollar. Candles tend to form a new support level, which means they will go even lower, so we'll invest lower. Wow, you see how easy that was? Amazing, really! The account has reached $2,053, and to be honest, this is already a decent amount. The Aussie and Swiss franc is in a controversial situation. We won't take such risks, so we'll just skip this pair. Trade number 9. Australian and Canadian dollar. On the RSI indicator, the price does not fall much below the level of 50, which means buyers are not retreating and a bullish impulse is still waiting for us. We'll go higher. Ooh, how everything is working out so perfectly for us today. We reached $2,963. Let's move on to another trade. So, trade number 10. Aussie and US dollar. Here we will follow our upward trend. Both indicators show us a temporary increase in price, so we'll invest higher. Marvelous! Simply gorgeous! I don't even know what to say honestly. The strategy showed its best sides. Use it to the maximum in your trading. In 12 minutes, you can earn a magnificent $3,883. In 12 minutes, more than 32,000%. Well, the clearest and safest plan for earning $900 per day without losing your deposit is waiting for you in my free Telegram channel. Go and trade using my signals along with more than 27,000 of my subscribers and earn 600 to 700,000 with us. I will always support you. I'll explain how to use Pocket Option and which buttons to press. I'll tell you everything in detail, and guess what? It's completely free. All you have to do is copy my trades, and the risk is minimal because my win rate is above 89.5%. Pretty cool, right? All my subscribers constantly flood me with thanks and kind reviews. See for yourself.
I was almost like giving up trading, and then I found Evelyn.
I really appreciate your help, the way you are helping us to earn money.
You make it easy. I don't know how you make that.
And then I was able to make real money, actually. And I'm so happy for it.
To be fair, trading and signals are not difficult at all, especially when you have an experienced person to guide you. And a passive income of $900 every day is pretty awesome, if you ask me. So follow the link in the description or in the pinned comment under the video, and don't forget to write me a private message. That's all for today. I love everyone. Bye bye.